My name is Brett Dickey. I'm the Vice President of Technical Services here at Empire. We're here at Empire Airlines in Hayden, Idaho. We've got basically two operations here. This is our headquarters for our airline operation, and then across the street we have Empire Aerospace, where we do our heavy maintenance on our aircraft. Basically, Intermax was able to come up with a solution for us out here in the middle of a field in Idaho to have high-speed internet without bringing fiber optic lines out here. I don't fully understand it. It's like a microwave. There's a dish here and a dish in Rathdrum and a dish on Canfield Mountain, I think, or something like that. But I know it's fast and we have very good speed.